tutorial on how to set up the FieldCompanion software. First thing you need to do is move the FieldCompanion software over to the source folder of the catkin folder. So you need to extract, then need to go to the FieldCompanion and the parameters folder. You'll see the session input.json. This is where you need to put the session command variables. You then need to right click terminal, you need to do .-get weights.sh. You then need to, if you're going to use datasets, move your datasets over to that folder. We can now look at the .launch file. Here, so open. The way this file is set up is that it is a duplicate XML file. So all you need to do to add more cameras is to do what I've done here. So we have the original group files here. So camera 1, tree segmentation 1, object detection 1. So that's for one camera. And then for here, we've got exactly the same, but with replacing the names, the namespace with the letter with the number 2, and then changing the values to right. So for this, I'm going to focus on the original XML setup. So we have camera 1, this is on the side left. The data set flag is set to true. Serial is if you were going to use a live camera, then you can set the serial here by doing serial equals and then the serial number. The tree segmentation has a JSON file which I've just shown you, so you need to use true if you want to use that rather than the session commands. And then the JSON file session input.json, which is the file that I just shown you. If you want to change the name of that file, then you have to change it in here as well. The camera is also left. The reference X is 240, the reference Y 480. There's 5 cuts. The object detection only needs the position left. So the next thing we're going to do is go to the catkin folder. We are then going to source. We're going to source the setup file. Then we're going to do catkin_make. Then we are going to do ROS launch, FieldCompanion .launch, and then we are going to run the software. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to look into the outputs folder. As you can see here, it is producing a outputs folder. This has a data JSON which shows the available variables that have been produced, and then beneath that is a snapshot of the data itself. And that is how you set up the software.